Hi there, how are you all? I hope you are all doing well and passing a fantastic time. Today, I'm gonna share with you a new interesting topic. So, my dear friend, if you stop using English, your English doesn't stay the same because it gets worse. English is not something about you finish; it's something about you maintain. If you don't use English for a few days, you hesitate. For a few weeks, you forget words. For a few months, you lose your confidence. Not because you are bad, but because language fades. English disappears quietly. One day, when you need it for a better job, for a better future, for your family, for your kids, you realized. I used to know this. Learning English is not about sounding smart. It's about keeping door open. More opportunities, more facilities, more connect with the world. You don't need to study hard forever. You need to stay in English, a little learning, a little speaking almost every day.